Hey friends, if you wish to fix Logitech camera not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. Now the first solution is obviously to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and then select restart. The next solution is to run the camera troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab and then scroll down to troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Now click on run corresponding to the camera troubleshooter and run it. Okay. The next solution is to update the drivers. How would you update drivers on your computer? For right click on the search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for camera drivers. Right click on it and select update driver. The last solution is camera privacy settings. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to privacy and security and then you can scroll down in the right pane and select camera. Okay. Now in the camera privacy settings, here's what you have to do. First of all, turn on camera access and let apps access your camera. Now give access to whatever specific app you are using with the camera. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.